Potatoes are the most satiating food to eat. Entire batch is under 200 calories for you to enjoy French fries during weight loss. Grab a potato, cut it into shapes of fries, then boil them for 4 minutes. Dry them off. Salt, black pepper, oil spray, paprika. Air fryer at 390 for 7 minutes. Shake and then go another 7.
Super juicy, perfectly cooked air fryer chicken breasts.
Start by tenderizing your chicken breast until it's a ½ inch thick like this. Then to a small dish, add chili powder, garlic salt, onion powder, paprika, cinnamon, and black pepper, and combine. Now coat the chicken breast with that rub until both sides have been thoroughly coated with it. Then air fry for 8 minutes at 400 degrees, flipping it halfway through. Then slice it up and enjoy all this juicy chicken breast deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you see more videos as they come out.